3, 2, 1.
Quarks also have a different type of charge, called what? The answer is A, color charge. Why did I hit the studio? The answer is C, to take interesting photos. When was the first Fylde Folk Festival at Fleetwood held? The answer is B, 1965. How many dimensions can humans see in? The answer is A, 3. Electrons in the outer shell are also known as what kind of electrons? The answer is D, valence. What is the most electronegative element? The answer is A, fluorine. What may be the reason the houses are so expensive? The answer is A, they are designed by a family's architect. What was the name of the folk group in which Richie Furay and Steve Stills performed together before forming Buffalo Springfield? The answer is A, Obobo Singers. What will happen with the narrator and their ex? The answer is A, they will go their separate ways. Which of these processes is a conversion made by solar panels? The answer is D, radiant energy to electrical energy. Why did he want to make adjustments? The answer is B, the CTR did not work right. How does the narrator feel about Will? The answer is D, the narrator finds him attractive. In what form was the nymph who suckled Zeus in the cave? The answer is B, goat. Who may I be currently describing? The answer is B, my boyfriend. What structure is the site of all of the basic biochemical processes that keep organisms alive? The answer is D, cell. The Egyptian god Horus was associated with which of the following animals? The answer is C, hawk. Does the force of magnetism increase or decrease as the distance between objects increases? The answer is A, decrease. When do I give gifts to someone? How would you do this? The answer is A, you give them gifts on their birthday. Which of the following is the most basic need for a plant?
The answer is C, water.
In which year did Sanfia inhabitants return home from seeking refuge? The answer is B, 1692. Around what year did settlement begin to occur in St. John's? The answer is D, 1630. Ice floats because it is less wet than liquid water. The answer is C, dense. How did the narrator hurt their knee? The answer is A, they were rollerblading. Larger parrot species have longer lifespans than smaller ones. What is the average lifespan of a large parrot? The answer is B, up to 80 years. About how many years have beagles been around? The answer is C, 2000. Why did the narrator peel their scab? The answer is D, it was ugly to them. How can I prevent a cream puff from collapsing while baking? How would you do this? The answer is A, don't open up the oven door while baking. Why is the narrator suddenly even happier with their home? The answer is D, they got a swing. What may be the reason for their price promotions? The answer is D, they want to attract others to their event. Why would they give cows chocolate syrup? The answer is A, so that they produce chocolate milk. Which term is derived from the name of a 19th century land agent in Ireland? The answer is A, boycott. What was the name of George and Louise Jefferson's son on the hit television show The Jeffersons? The answer is D, Lionel. One of the staples of the Rambo franchise is the obligatory sequence of guerrilla warfare carnage. In which movie does the guerrilla carnage take place in an underground cave? The answer is B, Rambo Roman III. In what year was the novel Anne of Green Gables published? The answer is B, 1908. Competition is most likely to occur between which two organisms? The answer is D, grass and strawberry plants. Which of these is a traditional Japanese low-alcoholic sweet drink? The answer is C, a maize. Which cell gives rise to all cells of the human body? The answer is B, totipotent stem cell. What is the name of the organization that promotes a return to Israel? The answer is A, the Jewish Agency. What is the name of the force that resists the forward motion of a moving airplane? The answer is A. Drag. What state was labor leader Cesar Chavez born in? The answer is B. Arizona. What type of carbons may be gases, liquids, or solids at room temperature? The answer is B. Hydrocarbons. George is studying erosion. He learns how rocks break apart over time. Which of these most likely forms when a rock weathers and breaks into small pieces? The answer is D. Sediments. If things do and change, what will you start doing again? The answer is B. I'll start to drink and smoke again. Why have they already began to book their next trip? The answer is B. They want to plan their trip in advance. Which would likely decrease the food in an environment? The answer is B. Water evaporation. In what year was the Nanjing railway station rebuilt? The answer is B. 2005. What creates a new seafloor at the mid-ocean ridge? The answer is D. Magma. When did protests against the superregion occur? The answer is A. 1949. What percentage of people that live in the state of New York live in New York City? The answer is B. 40. What may be keeping the narrator up at night?